In this video, we'll learn to extract information from a tally chart. Here we've got a tally chart that I've drawn. It is about items sold in a charity sale. We've got cupcakes, milkshakes, fruit bowls and chocolate bars. The number of marks here tells how many or shows how many of each item were sold. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 marks, which suggests there were 4 cupcakes sold. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 milkshakes sold, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fruit bowls sold, 1, 2, 3 chocolate bars. Here we have 3 questions that you could be asked about this tally chart. Just 3 examples. How many milkshakes were sold? So we'd go to the items and we'd stop at milkshakes. How many were there? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more fruit bowls than chocolate bars were sold? So we're comparing fruit bowls with chocolate bars. How many more? How many extra? So there are 3 here, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 2 extra, 2 more. 2 more fruit bowls than chocolate bars. How many items in total were sold? So I can see that there is a block of 5 here and another block of 5 there. So that's easy to count. And there is 4 and this one makes 5. And the 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. You could add them in other ways as well, and it doesn't matter as long as you get this result, because different methods are absolutely fine. So this is how to extract information from a tally chart.